हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू कंपिटिटर्स वर्ल्ड। कंपिटिटर्स वर्ल्ड को आपण मानक स्वागत करुच्ची। सो टुडे दिस इज मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 6। इन द प्रीवियस सेशन, दैट इज इन द मॉक टेस्ट 5, we discussed 16 most important questions of Odisha geography, that is from question number 1 to 16. And in today's session, that is mock test number 6, there will be 16 questions, that is question number 17 to question number 32. Okay, and all these questions are based on the previous year papers, and these questions are highly useful for the upcoming examinations like OSSC CGL, OCS exam, OSSC exams and other states exams where Odisha GK is asked. Let us see how many questions you can answer correctly. Just evaluate your score and write in the comment box. Let us start today's session. Okay, so question number 17, which soil is mainly found in western plateau of Odisha? Option A, alluvial soil. Option B, black soil. Option C, red and laterite soil. Option D, that is mountain soil. So what will the right answer here? So here the right answer is, that is option C, red and laterite soil. If we'll talk about the western plateau of Odisha, generally red and laterite soils are found. And if we'll talk about red soil, the red soil is generally found in the district like Sundargarh, Balangir, Fulbani. Okay, and it is generally formed due to weathering of igneous rocks, and it is rich in iron oxide, and it has low nitrogen and phosphorus amount. And if we'll talk about laterite soil, the laterite soil is generally found in Keonjhar and Sambalpur district, and it is formed due to the heavy rainfall, that is leaching, and it is good for the cultivation of cashew, coffee and tea. Okay, so let us see. Western Odisha is a plateau region, and in these regions heavy rainfall occurs and it causes leaching. Okay, that means the upper layer of the soil is washed away, which causes fertility, and this forms red and laterite soils, and they are less fertile than the alluvial soil due to the leaching process. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 18. Which river of Odisha doesn't originate within the state? Okay, so what is the right answer here? Option A, Nagavalli. Option B, Baitarani. Option C, Subarnarekha. Option D, that is Rusikalya. Okay, so here the right answer will be, that is option C, Subarnarekha is the right answer. If we'll talk about Subarnarekha, the river Subarnarekha rises near the Piska in Jharkhand, and it flows through Odisha and West Bengal. Okay, so let us see. If we'll talk about the river Subarnarekha, the river Subarnarekha originates in the Chotnagpur plateau of Jharkhand, and it flows through Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha. Unlike other rivers of Odisha, it starts outside the state and finally it drains into the Bay of Bengal. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 19. Why Odisha is highly prone to cyclone? Okay, what is the basic reason? Option A, presence of eastern ghats. Option B, long coastline along the Bay of Bengal. Option C, dense forest cover. Option D, that is large river basin. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer will be, that is option B. Okay, long coastline along the Bay of Bengal. Option B is the correct answer. So if we'll talk about Odisha, then Odisha has a coastline of about 574 kilometer. Okay, 574 kilometer coastline, and the Bay of Bengal is a major cyclone forming region, and the cyclone move westwards and hit the Odisha coast, and this makes coastal Odisha highly vulnerable. So let us move to the next question, that is our question number 20. Which physical division of Odisha is richest in mineral resources? Option A, coastal plains. Option B, central tableland. Option C, that is northern plateau. And option D, that is western plateau. So what will the right answer here? So here the right answer will be, that is option D, Western Plateau is the right answer. Western Plateau, if we'll talk about Western Plateau, then Western Plateau is a part of that is Chhotanagpur Plateau, and it contains iron ore, coal, bauxite and manganese, and district like Keonjhar, Sundargarh lie in this region, and hence it is mineral rich region of Odisha, that is Western Plateau. Let us move to the next question, that is question number 21. Which factor mainly influence the climate of Odisha? Option A, latitude. Option B, ocean currents. Option C, monsoon winds. And option D, that is altitude. So what will be the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is option C, monsoon wind. If we'll talk about monsoon winds in Odisha, so Odisha has a tropical monsoon climate, and southwest monsoon brings most rainfall, and retreating monsoon also affects the weather some extent. Thus monsoon winds control the climate of Odisha. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 22. What type of drainage pattern is mainly found in Odisha? Option A, dendritic pattern. Option B, radial pattern. Option C, trellis pattern. And option D, that is rectangular. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer will be that is dendritic. Okay, if we'll talk about the drainage pattern of Odisha, then it is basically a dendritic pattern. And why? Because most rivers of Odisha flow over the uniform rock structure, and they branch like the limb of a tree. This the river like this the structure. Okay, and this pattern is called dendritic drainage system, and it is common in the plains and plateaus. Hence, Odisha shows a dendritic drainage. Let us move to the next question, that is question number 23. Which district is known as mineral heartland of Odisha? Very very important question. Give the right answer. Yes, here the right answer is that is option B, Keonjhar. Okay, Keonjhar is otherwise called mineral heartland of Odisha. If we'll talk about Keonjhar, Keonjhar has the large deposit of iron ore, and it also contains manganese and chromite. So mining is a major economic activity in Keonjhar, and mainly many industries depend upon these minerals. Hence, it is called mineral heartland of Odisha. So Keonjhar is the correct answer. Let us move to the next question, that is question number 24. Which soil is best suited for paddy cultivation in Odisha? Option A, laterite soil. Option B, red soil. Option C, alluvial soil. And option D, that is mountain soil. Paddy cultivation. Okay, what will the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is option C. Okay, option C, alluvial soil is the right answer. If you will talk about the alluvial soil, so alluvial soil has a water retention capacity. Alluvial soil retains water well, and it is rich in nutrient like potash, okay, and phosphorus. Paddy needs plenty of water, and this alluvial soil is mainly deposited in the deltaic regions, and river delta provide an ideal condition for that. Thus, alluvial soil is the best soil for paddy cultivation. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 25. Why floods frequently occur in coastal Odisha? Okay. Option A, due to steep slopes. Option B, due to heavy snowfall. Option C, due to low-lying deltaic plains. Option D, that is volcanic activity. So what will the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is option C. Low-lying deltaic plain is the main region for the frequent flood in the coastal Odisha. So if we talk about coastal Odisha, so coastal Odisha lies in low-lying deltaic region. Rivers slow down near the sea, and during the heavy rainfall, water overflows. This causes cyclones, and cyclone worsen the situation. This so at that time, if cyclone comes, that worsen the situation, and this lead to frequent floods. So if we'll talk about next question, which district of Odisha is famous for coal deposits? Option A, that is Keonjhar. Option B, Angul. Option C, Koraput. And option D, that is Ganjam. So you all know this answer. The right answer is that is option B, Angul. So why? Because the famous the um, major deposit of coal, that is Talcher coal field, is located here. Okay, let us see. If we'll talk about Angul, Angul district has a major coal field. Okay, and Talcher coalfield is located here, and coal supports thermal power plant and it helps industrial development. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 27. Which river flows through a city of Cuttack? City of Cuttack, you all know this answer. Option A, Brahmani. Option B, Baitrani. Option C, Katachudi. And option D, Rusikulla. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is, that is Kathajodi river. Okay, so this is an easy question. If we'll talk about Kathajodi river, which is a distributary of Mahanadi, Kathajodi is the distributary of Mahanadi river and it flows through Cuttack city. The river supports irrigation and water supply, and it is also saved the city's location. Okay, hence Cuttack developed on the bank of Kathajodi. So let us move to the next question. Which factor mainly affects the agriculture in western Odisha? Okay, very easy question. You can easily answer this. Excess rainfall. Option B, poor soil fertility and less rainfall. Option C, cold climate. Option D, that is sandy soil. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is, that is option B, poor soil fertility and less rainfall. If we'll talk about the climate of agricultural activities is the of western Odisha. Western Odisha receives less rainfall and the soils are mostly red and laterite. I have already told you the red and laterite are less fertile. Okay, soils are less fertile, and in Western Odisha the irrigation facilities are limited, and thus agriculture is badly affected in the Western Odisha part. So let us move to the next question. Question number 29. Which river of Odisha flows through shortest distance? Okay. Option A, Rusikulya. Option B, that is Subarnarekha. Option C, Mahanadi. And option D, that is Brahmani. So what is the right answer here? Yes, the right answer is, that is Rusikulya. Okay, if we'll talk about river Rusikulya, it flows about 165 kilometers. Okay, and if we'll talk about Subarnarekha, it flows around 395 kilometers. If we'll talk about Mahanadi, it flows 900 kilometers, apart from which it flows 494 kilometers in Odisha. If we'll talk about the river Brahmani, it flows 480 kilometers in Odisha. So let us move to the next question. That is question number. Okay, let us see Rusikulya. Rusikulya originated in the Eastern Ghats. It flows a short distance to the sea, and the river has a small basin. It doesn't form a major delta, hence it is the shortest. So it has been written here. So let us move to the next question. Question number 30. Before asking question number 30, I would like to ask you a question. Which city is called City of Black Diamond? Just write in the comment box. Which is called City of Black Diamond? How many of you can answer this question? Let's see. Definitely put it in the comment box. Which city is called City of Black Diamond? Question number 30 says, which tributary is the largest tributary of Mahanadi? Option A, Tel River. Option B, Ib River. Option C, Ong River. And option D, that is Sionath River. So that will be the right answer here. So give the right answer. Okay, here there is a major confusion between the Tel River and the Sionath River. Okay, so earlier I had a video, and here there is a confusion. If we'll talk about the Tel River, it is the Tel River. It is cited as the largest right bank tributary and also a major river of Mahanadi. Okay, tributary of Mahanadi. If we'll talk about Sionath River, and Sionath River is the largest tributary of Mahanadi River, both by length and the catchment area. So the answer according to me should be the Sionath River. Okay, so in the some sources you can find It is Tel River, and in some sources it is written Sionath River. So I think the Sionath River should be the given should be the right answer. Please write the answer in the comment box. Okay, so let us move to the next question, that is question number 31. Which district is known for chromite reserve? Option A Angul, option B Keonjhar, option C that is your Jajpur, and option D that is Kalahandi. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is Keonjhar is the right answer. Okay, Keonjhar has the largest chromite deposits in Odisha. Okay, so let us see. As I have told you that Odisha is the largest producer of chromite, and about 90 more than 95% of the chromite of India is produced in Odisha only. Okay. So let us see Keonjhar. Keonjhar has the largest chromite deposit. Chromite is used in steel industry basically. The district is mineral rich. Mining is a major activity in Keonjhar, and it supports industrial growth. Okay. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 32, and this is the last question of today's session. Option A, question is which river flows through Talcher coalfield? Okay. Option A, Eve River. Option B, Brahmani River. Option C, Tel River, and option D that is Boitarani River. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is Brahmani River. Okay. So Talcher coalfield lies near the Brahmani River, and the river supports. Okay, if we'll talk about Talcher coalfield, the Talcher coalfield lies in the Brahmani River, and the river supports coal transportation. Water is used in mining operations, and the industrial development occurs along its banks. Thus, Brahmani plays a vital role, and it is important for the Talcher coalfield. So this is all about today's session. Okay, I hope these questions will definitely be helpful for the upcoming exams. And one small request to all of you before ending the video, to like and subscribe the channel, by which I will be motivated to make more videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. May God bless you. Thank you so much.